A while back, my class made this display about famous failures, and it was interactive. Using the app HP Reveal, you could scan each of the famous faces and it would play a video explaining who that person was, how they were famous, and how they had to overcome different setbacks to achieve great things. The problem is, HP Reveal is no longer available, so it's no longer interactive until now, thanks to Halo AR, which is the best replacement for HP Reveal. It does everything HP Reveal did and even more. So not only can you upload videos that play when you scan a trigger image, you can also upload links to Google Drive files and YouTube videos. It's brilliant. Let me show you. So Halo AR is free. You do need to create an account, and if you just tap on the scan option at the bottom, you can then just scan the trigger image you've created and it will play the video linked to it. And like I say, that video, if it's under a minute, can be from the camera roll. If it's over a minute, you can upload a Google Drive link.
Indiana Jones, E.T., Jurassic Park are some of the best movies ever made, thanks to the brilliant director Steven Spielberg.
There will be a step-by-step tutorial on my website very soon, alongside loads of other creative ways in which you can utilise Halo AR in the classroom.